My name is Mrs. Harlow, and I'm here today to teach you how to use the Seesaw class blog to interact with your classmates. I'm sure you're missing them quite a bit right now. I know I'm missing my students a ton, and I just want to talk to them and see what they're up to. Being that we're younger students, we don't always have phones or ways to connect with one another, so this is a way for us to check in and see how everyone's doing and comment back and forth on different sorts of questions or activities. All right, so the way the Seesaw Classroom blog works is your teacher will assign you an assignment in the Activities tab for you to complete. That may be asking what your favorite kind of pizza is, or it could be telling you to tell a joke. From there, you will either record a video of yourself or take a picture of your activity task and turn it in just like you would any other activity. From there, your teacher will go through and approve and publish to the blog activities for morning meetings. All right? Once your activity is published to the blog, you can see it on the blog anytime you want. And you know what's better? You can see all of your classmates' work on there as well, anytime you want. You can also comment, and you can comment through writing, or you can comment through voice comments and go back and forth. Your teacher can also comment on it as well, okay? So a couple of things when it comes to the Seesaw class blog. It is a safe, kind, and inviting place where we need to be respectful and engaging. Now, because the majority of the class blog is going to be used for morning meeting activities, it is important that we engage and we communicate with all of our friends in our classroom. And always keep those comments positive or asking a question. And remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, please don't say anything at all. And the last thing is, when you're going through your activities, it is at your teacher's discretion what she wants to publish to the blog. Discretion means choice. It's her choice what she wants to publish to the blog. So she may tell you that you can publish work to the blog or your artwork that you did. But for my class, we only do our morning meeting activities. All right. So I hope you enjoy communicating and connecting with your class. And I'm going to walk you through how to do a class blog activity. All right, let's get started. Hi, boys and girls. All right, so we're here on Seesaw's homepage of the Learning Journal. Mine might look a little bit different than yours because I'm on my teacher login, but for the most part, it should be the same. You can see my pink cursor right here, and that is what is going to be telling you where to go. All right, so to start off with any class blog activity, you will go to the Activities tab. All right, right here I have my morning meeting activity assigned to me. Yours may look different, but they usually start with good morning, and this one says tell a joke. Since we are learning at home, create a video to say good morning to your classmates and teacher. Tell us a joke. Make your class laugh. Click the Add Response button to add a response. Then select Video to start recording. Watch your video, and if you like it, click Check to submit. If not, you can re-record. Be sure to like and comment on your other classmates' videos. Okay, so I'm going to follow those directions. I'm going to go to Add Response. And I'll do mine as a sample student. You might not have that part. Now we have all of these options. Now pretend that I forgot what the directions were. I always have the directions at the top, and it told me to use the video camera to record. So I'm going to click on out of that, and I'm going to go to the video camera. All right, so here's my video camera, and I'm going to record my joke. I hope you like it. Why did the student cross the playground to get to the other slide. Now your joke might be a little bit better than mine, but either way, if you like the video recording that you have, you're going to click Done. And then here, you still aren't done yet. If you want to add more later, you can click Draft, but if not, you're going to click the check mark again to make sure you turn it in all the way. Remember, when we click the check mark right here, you need to make sure you wait until it's completely submitted before closing your app or closing your screen. So I'm waiting. All right, now it's on my journal. It's good to go. And when my teacher goes through and decides to publish it, she will press this little circle right here. So your teacher may ask you to publish your own work, and it would just be this button right here. For my students, I publish it for them. So I ask them not to press this button. So it's up to your teacher. I'm going to click that button, and I'm going to put Publish to Blog. Now, cool, but how do I see everyone else in my class's work? Well, if you noticed over here, you have a new option all the way over here that looks like a little world, and that says Blog. I'm going to click on that. And then you will see right here, it looks a little different, and I'm in the blog. Being that this is an example class, there's only one video. But when you scroll through, you will see all of your other classmates' responses to the same question. From there, you can click this button down here, which is Comment. And I can type a comment. Good joke, Kayla. Or I can record a comment. So going to the same spot, I can record a comment by pressing this little microphone. And then press up here. Great joke, Kayla. All right, I can listen to it and see if I like it, or I can re-record if I made a mistake. Then I'm going to click Check. And then it will show up under that video or photo, and whoever posted it will be able to see and comment back. Great joke, Kayla. All right, so that's all there is to the Seesaw Classroom blog. It is quite simple, but it is a great opportunity for you to see your classmates' work and connect with one another. So I hope that you enjoy using Seesaw so far, and that you enjoy starting to use the Seesaw Classroom blog.